Okay, so don't know when I'll make this video, but so I went to the hobby shop today, raced a little bit, whatnot, and since I was there and they had stuff, a good variety of different parts, I want to go ahead and say the hobby shop that I go to, my local one closed down, but the other one that's kind of far away, Fayette Hobbies. I like their hobby shop. They have a lot of good stuff, and but like of each part, they maybe have one on the shelf of like they'll have like one pair type or like one slipper clutch thing, and maybe two. I don't know. It depends. They'll have multiple, and they'll have just one of each. But they usually have variety of every little part. So I want to kind of show you what I got today. Start off with these actually good-looking wheels. My Slash has JC Concept wheels that my old hobby shop owner gave me, and they're just worn out. They're completely bald, and the foam actually blew out of them yesterday. So, you know, I was there and I seen them as the last pair of Slash tires. They had some low C Tenacity, whatever truck that is, I think. They had some low C tires there, about the same size. I was thinking about them, but I mean, if it's Traxxas, then you know, just go ahead and get Traxxas. Stick with the brand on brand thing. But yeah, these are of course Slash two-wheel drive tires. They're 2.2s. These are actually for the front, but they should fit the rear as well. But yeah, they're just shiny, like silvery kind of metal rims, and the tread is just normal Slash tread. I really like Traxxas tires, especially the Slash's one, because they last a while and they don't balloon or anything. Well, for me, they don't come unglued or anything. I've always liked Traxxas tires, especially the Slashes. So yeah, they look really cool. I like them. Here is for my Rustler 4x4. This is a super clutch assembly on my 4x4 right now. That grove screw, I actually stripped it out, and I had a race coming up, so I thought I would just kind of super glue that on just a little bit. And, you know, it held on today, so it should be fine. So, if something does happen, I might as well go and change it in a little while or whatever. Also, has a spur gear attached, of course, 54 tooth. Pretty much replaces the stock one. So, why not just go ahead and replace the whole thing, because, you know, why not? So, yep. This part, slipper clutch complete for Slash 4x4, Rustler 4x4, and whatever else you want to use it on. Part number for that is 6878. The Slash two-wheel drive front tires, but I'm using them on the rear, is 5875. And last but not least, something that I've needed for a very long time is an RC toolkit. Because I use little Allen keys and they work, but they strip out so much stuff. And I want to go ahead and say the part number is 3415. If you can't see that, but you can probably. And this is just a complete tool pouch. It has all your hex sizes. It's got, I'll just show you, but yeah, this also comes in it. I just took that out. Nice carrying pouch. Let me open it real quick. I actually use this in the store to put my 4x4 receiver box cover back on. But yeah, you have your nut drivers for like your wheels and slipper clutch and whatnot. You have Phillips head drivers right here and flathead. Here's your actual wrench that it goes into. Then you have your hexes, which is the most important. Trying to think. These are basically all your sizes that should fit it. I'll have to test that, but yeah, they work really good. So those are my little part run today: tires, slipper clutch, assembly, and some tools. So yeah.